What's up, YouTube? What are you doing, kitty? Are you going to come up? You're going to come up. Okay. First off, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers, and I want to thank 357 Magdad for, putting my name out there. It's truly appreciated, and I hope everybody enjoys the channel. If there's anything you'd like to see or anything, just shoot me a message. Sorry about the kitty. She thinks she's a spider monkey. She won't get off. Anyways, 357 Magdad sent me something. So let's open it up and see what it is. Kitty. Bad kitty. Oh, sweet. Good thing, wow, that's some strong bubble wrap. That's awesome. I will definitely, I don't know if I want to use them. I'm going to use them. I have to. That's awesome. I need to get me some pencils. Oh, crap. And some stickers? What? That's going on the truck. That's awesome. Cool. There's a letter. Cool. Okay. Thanks, 357 Magdad. Truly appreciated. Got the stickers and the pencils. That's awesome. Love them. But we're gonna get to work on something. It's cold out here, so yeah, kind of is what it is. But we did like a little poll online, and actually 357 Magdad made a point. Also, if you're not subscribed to him, I'll put a link down in the description, and make sure you go check him out. But I did a poll, either C-clamps or pliers, and we're gonna do the pliers because he made the point that paint is not gonna dry. You can see your breath right now. It's not gonna dry. So let's get to work on some pliers. I got a couple of those fiber wheels. I saw Scout Crafter. I'll put a link to him below also. And I saw Joe's Shop. I'll put a link to him also. They use this. It's a wheel. Actually, let me go get it. Oh, sorry for kicking you. This one's by UXL. It's definitely Chinesian. It's kind of like a Scotch-Brite pad, but in a big wheel, and it's more dense. Doesn't smell like Chinesium. I honestly don't know. I can't read lines. If anybody knows if that's Chinese or Japanese, let me know. And then I got this one. It's a little bit smaller. This is made by a different company. This is definitely Chinese. This feels more dense, but this is supposed to be 320 grit, and this is supposed to be 180 grit. So this one does feel more rough. So we'll try those out, and we'll give them their maiden test, and I'll let you know what I think. We're going to restore these. I'm going to throw them in some rust remover soak. Then I'm going to go take care of a couple things, and then when we get back, we'll clean them up. All right. Dog. You hate when that happens. There we go. So these have been in here well over 24 hours. Kind of got busy. There is not any rust left. Turns them like a black color, but once we clean them up with the wire wheel and then the other deal, we'll be good. Okay, let me clean these up, then we'll go to the wire wheel. Okay, so we got these all cleaned up. This is just WD-40. You can see how good these turned out. They are Boker. I think they call them duckbill pliers. It's Boker 5381. And I got a lot of the pitting out. This is the first time I ever used a fiber wheel. So I think I did pretty good. I think they look really good. I was able to keep all the lettering. Boker 5381. And these are you can see all the rust floating to the top and dirt. They get easier and easier. These say KAL, Cal, and it's either 666 or 999. We're going to say it's 999. And these are not American made. It says Korea. But they feel really good. They're super smooth. The polish is awesome. Then we did a pair of side cutters. And I can't really read these. It's C113R. And then it looks like BM6, BM3 something. I don't know. Try them out. Gravy. That's some thick gauge wire too. 12 gauge. And they all came out super shiny. I think it's a nice little piece to add to the collection. So I'll wax those up and they'll go in with the hoard. So if you could, free of charge for the price of free $99, down in the down there, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know if you like these. You know, at 500 subscribers, we're gonna do another giveaway. Or maybe we'll pick 2 people again. Sound good? Alright. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.